Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Outlook and choosing the inbox you want all and unread controls for. Once done, go to the View menu on desktop or click the filter/sort icon in the web app. These controls expose grouping and filtering. You do this because View settings change what messages are visible without moving mail. Make sure your folders are synced and search indexing is current, otherwise filters may miss recent messages. Now, proceed to adjust group and filter settings to show all and unread. Next, configure the filters and grouping so Outlook shows both all messages and unread ones on demand. First, set the filter option to all mail, then create or apply an unread filter when you need only unread items. Use Group By to separate unread messages by date or conversation, which helps scanning. Once you have the combination you want, save it as a custom view or a quick filter. This prevents repeating steps. If you rely on multiple accounts, repeat per account to keep consistency. To finish, apply the saved view and pin the filter or add it to favorites so you can toggle all verses unread with one click. Then test, send yourself a new message and refresh. Make sure unread mail appears and grouping behaves as expected. If messages are missing, reindex search or toggle cached exchange mode, because sync or indexing issues often hide mail. As a last resort, reset the view to defaults and recreate the custom filter. This fixes corrupted view settings.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.